Okay, we are here. We're 3.5 miles offshore Marathon, Florida. We're going to start at about 100 feet of water, and we're going to do what they call trolling. So we're going to have some lures on top of the surface of the water, some tuna feathers, some squid chains. We're going to do a mixture of a variety of different things because there's a variety of different fish out here in this water column. We're going to go from about 100 foot to 300 foot, see where the fish are, find out where they're going to be biting at, see what colors they like the best, and we won't tuna, but we're going to take anything. We can get mahi, kingfish. You never know what's going to bite out here in this section of water. So, well, we're here. We're dropping the baits. You know what time it is.
Alright, so this is just an example of one of the baits that we use. It's a daisy squid chain. You got 3 skirts on there and then the hook. This is from Blvd Baits, which is one of our favorite baits to use. So we'll hook this on the pole, we'll stick them out there, and we'll troll anywhere from a couple hundred feet to a couple hundred yards at about 8 miles per hour. Sometimes we have to speed it up a little bit, sometimes we have to slow it down, just depends on what the seas are that day and what's biting.
You got 5 lanes here. You got 1, 2. We got this main one up here. And you got 2 more on this side. Oh wow, yeah, I see it. Wow, look at that. Can you guys see that? It's coming. Oh wow.
Let's get the other reel down. We got a double hook.
Oh no, again, are you kidding me? Wow. So Hero's got a big one. Hero's got a big one. Maybe a kingfish.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Jody, anyone else?
That's a tuna.
And Jessica's got a big one too.
Jessica, you know how to change position. Walk around and go. That's good.
Perfect. Well done.
This is a big boy. A big boy. What a hero. Oh wow. That's a tuna. Is that a tuna?
Hit the Wahoo.
Wow! Look at this guy! Woohoo!
Good job.
Are you kidding me?
I guarantee that's what mine was too.
Wow! Beautiful fish.
Look at that big monster.
Look at this guy.
That is no joke right there, boys and girls.
That's why he was fighting so hard.
Hiro, great job.
Wow. Fantastic job, man. That's a nice fish.
He's like, I need to sit here for a minute.
Wow, my arm was got that.
These are war scars right here, all over his shirt. You ready for more fish, Hiro?
Good afternoon now. Wow.
Congratulations, guys. You are the A team, I swear. Another few more minutes into the water, and look what you guys got.
Good job, Hiro.
Beautiful. Look at
You're a
it.
champ, buddy.
How heavy do you think this fish is, Mike?
That's probably 25 pounds.
25-pound fish. Wow. Picked up a good fight. Congratulations.
Hiro won.
Hey, we're back at the dock. I'm gonna weigh this bad boy. See what the moment of truth is. Sorry. So 185.6. Okay.
I know I don't weigh that much.
160. So basically 26 pounds.
26 pounds.
26 pounds.
What's the first step?
First of all, I'm gonna take off the head.
that bucket.
Look inside there.
Taking most of the guts off.
Alright.
Another 2 pounders.
Yeah, 20 pounds of meat. Let's take a look at this. It doesn't get fresher than this.
We try to make it straight.
Yeah.
So that's the meat's kind of
Yeah.
cracking.
Yep.
It's okay.
So now we're going to put everything inside the canal, but just pop the eyeballs and makes it sink.
Perfect.
Just like that.
Yep, just like that.
Yeah, I used to fight with my sister to eat fish eyeballs when I was younger. They're the best things before. Back in the day.
Perfect. Yep. Yeah, so you want to, whenever we come back and we clean the fish, we throw them in the canal, everything will eat them. However, the fish heads will float unless you pop the ice. If you pop the ice, then they go to the bottom, and all the crabs and lobsters and shrimps and fish will take care of the problem for us.
This is the Wahoo that we just cleaned outside. And take a look at this meat. It is beautiful. Only just a couple hours old. This is as fresh as it gets. I'm just doing a sashimi dish. Look at it, it's still live, right? The meat. And this fish, Hiro, you were struggling to catch this fish.
This was so strong.
Right?
This fish was very, very strong.
And the reason why it was so hard to reel in him because it got hooked on the tail. That's what made it difficult. Okay, here, let's see. Gorgeous plate. We're making another dish here?
Yes.
Okay, what is this dish called?
Last time we made it with a lobster.
And that's a beautiful part of this dish. It's like, this is cooked, we just had some sashimi. Everything is so good. All from the same fish. This is garlic, some ginger,
a little bit of honey. Fish batin.
Oh, I wish everybody out there could smell the sauce.
I know, right?
Right. Little bit of spicy, a little bit of more spicy than I guess.
Okay.
Little bit more spicy.
It is so tender.
so fresh, so tender.
You okay?
Oh, Hiro, that is fantastic.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Approved.
Approved.
Yes. Stamp approved.
Yes, indeed.
Here, son, you must try. You must try. Because you're cooking and you're not eating.
I don't more spicy, but not too spicy.
Right. That smells so good.
Oh.
The best part again, Hiro, you caught this fish. You brought it in. A lot of work.
You got the filming, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Beautiful fish.
There you go.
Open up.